70, 71, 73. So I might wear shorts. You're wearing jeans, but I'm gonna wear shorts. We are going to the Indian Canyons. It's a graded footpath that winds down into the canyon near a stream where you can picnic, meditate, explore, go hiking, horseback riding. It's gonna be really cool and exciting. It is like wicked hot today. That's probably gonna cut this out. It's fine, I think it's important.
Hello. Just fueling up before we go on a hike. We're going on the Palm Canyon Trail. And according to the map, this is an easy trail. It's a green, not a yellow or a red.
You hear beef jerky.
That makes me very nervous with your hands not both free, sweetheart.
Or maybe this way. This is the better way. Don't worry, don't worry. I'll be right with you.
What are you doing?
I'm climbing rocks. See? Come on.
Okay.
It's crazy. See?
All right.
Piece of rock.
But I don't think we're supposed to go off the trail.
Oh, so maybe we just sit here and take it in and then continue?
Yeah.
Just do a yogi squat in front. Like just, you can do it, you can do it.
This is the coolest trail I think we've been on in California so far.
I agree with you.
Let's go.
I ate some of your snacks. Come on, Diddy Kong. Are you tracking things? What's happening? Is this now going to be a pattern in our videos?
That parkour?
Yep, it was the coolest thing. A couple just asked us if we knew where we were going, and we laughed and said no. We never know where we're going. But here's my theory. If the trail splits and you're not sure, always take the top route.
I don't think that's very good advice.
I think it's really good advice.
Because the top route could mean up the mountain.
Yeah, it works in my favor. So that's my advice to you. But the disclaimer is I'm not responsible if you get lost in a mountain.
Hello.
Over here on your right or your left, because I don't understand cameras, it's Pride Rock. Simba! Not gonna lie, I'm very scared to walk through where we're about to walk through. Logically, I know everything's fine, but emotionally, my brain is telling me that is all going to collapse on me because it's already tipped sideways when I walk through.
Go ahead.
It's literally like the Titanic when it was going like this. Nothing good comes of things going like this.
We're so little.
That would kill us.
Yeah,
If it all started sliding, we'd just die.
definitely.
I say I'm glad that the rocks didn't fall on us because I ran quietly yet assertively through them. This is always the hardest part, going back up, and I don't even see anything I can lean on. Feel that burn. That burn wants some French fries.
My burn always wants some French fries.
Well, that was super fun. It might not seem like it because I'm out of breath, but underneath all of that is a lot of fun. And we both agree that this is on the must-do list.